Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Lorkheji. How are you all? Are you fine? Very good. Okay, subject maths. On Thursday you will do B1 page number. On Thursday you will do this work, page number 6. Page number 6. Very good. Now open your book, page number 6. Open your book, page number 6. Your topic is polka dots. Polka dots. Okay, repeat after me. Polka dots. Okay, this is your new topic. Are you excited? Well, now look here. The number of polka dots on the right must be the same as those on the left. Okay, look at the statement. Draw the correct number of polka dots and write the number. There are some dots are here. Okay, tell me how many polka dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many polka dots are there? 4. And here 4, 4, 4. You have to write number 4. Very good. Okay. How many polka in the second box? How many polka dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, look at the second box. 1, 2. How many polka? We need 3 more polka dots. Okay, make it. 1, 2, 3. Now count it. How many? Is there 5 polka dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now look. 1, 2, 3. We have to make 5 polka dots and we need 2 more polka dots. 1 and 2. Very good. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 1 more polka dot. Now these are 5 polka dots and you have to number 5. 5 is fat wearing a hat. Very good. Okay, how many polka dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have to make 9 polka dots. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know we need 4 polka dots. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are 9 polka dots. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many we need more polka dots? 2 more polka dots. We need 2 more. 1 and 2. Very good. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 polka dots and we need 4 polka dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And how many polka dots are there? 9. You have to write number 9. Number 9. 9 like this. 5, 4 and 9. Okay, how many polka dots are there? 1, 2, 3. And there is a 1 polka dot. We need to make 3 polka dots and we need 2 more. 1 and 2. Now these are 3 polka dots. Now make 3 polka dots here. 1, 2, 3. And here we need 1 more polka dot like this. And write number 3. 3 is round and round. 3 is round and round.